guys, Smiley here with Moments in a Grab Battles! Thank you! Big Bird versus Winnie the Pooh! Begin!
It's a tale of two kids, icons from the hood to the 100-acre wood. I'm gonna beat the living bird seed out, you understood? I'm the childhood pal of Millie. Just ask Christopher Robin. I'll make you cry, and I'm not talking about the song by Kenny Loggins. My rhymes will buzz around, over, under, and through you like Grover. I've every trick in the book, plus some not in the book like Cobra. I'm gonna rustle all your feathers, not to mention your jimmies. I know you inside and out almost as much as Carol Spinney. When I'm done with you, Pinhead, you're gonna be feeling real blue. Count on count, and my victory going down in the book of Pooh. I've made Disney more money than the worth of Donald Trump, earning me more honey than can be taken by any Huffalo. I'm a big black rain cloud, born on your Macy's parade. Call me Mitt Romney, cause I'm giving you a major downgrade. I'm laying down the smackdown here in the Ashdown Forest. I've been to Skull and Back, son. When'd you last walk 2 miles from your
This
nest?
battle brings brought to you by the letter B. As in B, be like Big Bird, which would be me. And like in Follow That Bird, I'm out on a mission, breaking you like I broke into public television. You may be older and even more classic than me, Pooh Bear, but I'll make your arms so fast. Jump down like Mr. Hoover. Mine will fly under your radar. Have you down like Eeyore's house. Normally nice. Right now I'm going full ass for the ground. I'm talking 69 I've been entertaining kids. I spit sick words like stupid says. Help to get your stuffing out. So Snuffy be gone. My jobs are simple. They'll haunt you your whole life long. I got a song like a face. You're a very little brain. Beating me will be impossible like your home run derby game. If you weren't just a fluff-filled doll, I'd say it'd make you bleed. I teach children literacy, but you can barely even read.
Leave this to me, Pooh. I may sound like a little girl and be the size of a mouse, but I'm still bringing some mad pig power in this house. Helping defeat this feathered fiend will be my pleasure. Next to my blustery rounds, yours are a mild spring zephyr. You'll find this itty-bitty package to be carrying big things. You don't scare me, and that says a lot. You don't even have wings. What are you even supposed to be, a canary or a lark? Either way, I'm conquering you like my fear of the dark. Yes, you're 8 times my size, but I'm not overwhelmed. I'll have you know, just like you, I have my very own film. In terms of size to coolness ratio, I'm 10 times more fly. My only worthy match on your street is teeny little super guy. People write books about my smallest being a virtue. To beat you, I just need a few good friends and a stick.
Uh-oh! Who wants to die? If you can call the backup, then by heads and so can we! And of the people in our neighborhood, the best is me. Till now, everyone watching has been waiting for Elmo. Did you really think they'd make this without me? Hell no! Ever since I came along, half the show's been about me. I've got living furniture in the drawer from Bruce Almighty. I'm cuddling backstage with hot cold chicks like Katy Perry. Well, you two are more obviously gay than Bert and Ernie. Kids, can you guess what Elmo's thinking about today? Congrats if you said ways to make these losers go away! I'll vandalize the filth you call your flesh with my crayons, and dump you in the trash and leave you stranded in Grouchland. Or I can call up my monster friends so furry and happy, beat you up and have you turn into frogs by Abby. And here's a thread scarier than any heffalump or woozle. I'll tie you up and leave you both alone with Mr. Noodle. In any case, suffice to say I'll do more than just tickle you. I'll let my likeness here finish.
You made a big mistake by making me so a fuzzy boy. When it comes to rapping kids icons, Tiggers are the real McCoy. A match between you and me are terribly uneven. I'll berate your whole career, even worse than Selvin Stevens. I'm rivaled only by Hobbs, or most adorable tiger. Compared to me, you're like something out of H.R. Geiger. I'm truly one of a kind, I like you, little buddy. You're really just a random extra that happened to get lucky. You're a creator's pet, so swallow your pride and surrender before you make me bring back the Masked Defender! And Big Bird, while I can't exactly call you a bully, your skills are more non-existent than my biological family. Back to you, Elmo. My moles are telling you love balls. You're weak, while I can't even be held back by the fourth wall. So go TTFD and leave our wood for good, you hellspawn, before my springy tail and I bounce to your death like leprechaun!
Oh, C is for cookie, and it also is for crap, which is best word me can use to describe your crummy raps. Me rounding out quintessential Sesame Street trio. For me, I'm in fact the monster at the end of this video. Obesity and grammar concerns cause me to get slammed, but me no change for them. Like Popeye, me I'm a BM. You may have one advantage, me no have me own movie. But that's it, cause me best rapper any Muppet Queen. Me classically trained, just watch Masterpiece Theater. Though me known for eating cookies, me not really picky eater. Me have been here all along from the start of this song. Now show me yourself to eat your honey like nom 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 nom. Me not going to eat you though, cause you taste no good. As me friend Hoots would say, poo-poo is a never food. Me shooting your words down the stupid veggie monster rumors. FYI, Tigger, that not spring in your tail, it tumor.